Yes.
Okay, now what's it called? I'm gonna trim down the volume.
You don't have patience, I swear to God. Thought you said you didn't feel like playing Modern Warfare 2.
I wanna play against you.
That's what I thought. That's exactly what I thought. That's why you got pwned. That's why I'm about to land this big plane, and you're not.
Lower the flaps to 8 degrees and adjust thrust to maintain 1. You have the airplane. Continue flying heading 120 and maintain 7,000 feet. I'll handle the radios. You fly the approach. The airport's about 25 miles ahead of us. The approach controller will probably vector us out to the south, then give us a left turn to line up with the runway.
Why do you eat so much? Why do you eat so much? What do you do? You're chubby. You are a chubby little boy.
Contact Juliana approach on 128.905. Going to 128.905. World travel 268.
Only if I land,
Juliana approach.
I'll play Modern Warfare 2 against you.
World travel 268. Juliana approach. Expect vectors for the visual runway 9er.
No.
Altimeter 2992. World travel 268. Turn right, heading 130. Descend and maintain 3000. Vectors for the visual.
Right to 130 and down to 3. World travel 268. Okay, turn right to 130 degrees and descend to 3,000 feet. Don't exceed 250 knots.
World travel 268. Reduce speed to 180 knots.
Slowing to 180. World travel 268.
What are you doing?
Slow to 180 knots.
You can only eat it when I land. Didn't I say that? Yes, that was. Oh, okay. I'm horrible at landing. I'm better than you.
Dude, I'm advanced. I'm expert.
Yeah, sure. Couldn't even turn a plane when it was in the air.
That was you.
That was you. You were like, it's not turning. Damn, why did you get such a big bowl? Why can't you get like a little cup? Did I say you can turn on my PS3? After I land? I'm landing in Prince Juliana
Level off at
Island.
3,000 feet.
Who?
Can you get it lined up like that? No, that's what I thought. No, you can't.
Dude, I'm expert. I can do it.
No, you know how mad you're getting me right now. Don't ever get me mad when I'm flying a plane in Flight Simulator. I will kick
Left to
the shit out of
100.
you.
World travel 268. Alright, make a left turn to a heading of 100.
Ew, you spit on my
We're a little low.
computer.
Climb to 3,000 feet.
You're better than me?
Yup.
You wish, Dart. No! 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 No, I'm not saying you're changing. I said turn it off. I said after I land. No. Turn off the system, bro. You gay little faggot. Did you not hear me?
That's why you're freaking trying to turtle around.
Where?
You suck at this, dude.
Alright, why don't you land a plane like this? You fat chubby.
Dude, I'm not an expert. I'm not fat chubby.
World
Where
travel
are you then?
268 has the runway in
I'm a
sight.
skinny person.
World travel 268. Clear visual approach. Runway 9er.
Cleared for the visual. World Travel 268.
Wait, what?
World Travel 268. Contact Juliana Tower now on 118.
Oh, I'm too low.
Going to tower, thanks. Juliana Tower, World Travel 268, with you on the visual.
World Travel 268, Juliana Tower, wind 121 and
Is that
12,
the
runway 9 and 6
airport?
Traffic is a Grumman Goose on final landing Eastern Bay, south of the runway.
Clear to land, and we have the traffic. World Travel 268. Alright, we're cleared for the visual approach. Reduce thrust to idle and begin descending towards the runway. Lower the landing gear and lower full flaps as we slow down. Adjust thrust to maintain 130 knots as our final approach speed.
What? Why are you such a useless? What is that? That's not the airport, you dumbass. What is it? That's just the gas station. It's a gas station? No. This shit. Yeah, so I didn't think so you can get it lined up like that. That's easy. Anyway, that's a nice one. That's a nice line.
Before landing checklist, landing gear, down. Flaps set to 45 degrees. Before landing checklist, complete. Flight attendants, please be seated for
I'm gonna
landing.
go after you. What you said you wanted a plane? We're playing on the terminal. Okay. A different map. No. Why different map? You can't beat me on that map? Terminal you can't go up. On terminal? No, I don't. What are you talking about?
We're a little fast. Maintain 130 knots on final approach.
That is so hard. There's another plane waiting for me.
You say orange plane?
Huh?
Is that orange plane right there?
Yeah. No, that's a box. That plane is right there. It's like white. I'm not shaking my head. It's like, I wouldn't say this is the best landing.
We haven't landed yet.
Okay, I wouldn't say this is the best landing. It's like my first best landing. Oh, what are you doing? Why are you landing?
Orbit 326 Heavy, Juliana Tower, position and hold. Position and hold, Orbit 326 Heavy.
That's it?
Huh?
World Travel 268, continue taxiing and use one of the two turning bays on the right to turn around, then make your way to the terminal via the runway and taxiway Delta. World Travel 268, welcome to St. Martin, turn left next taxiway.
You come back on the grass. Yeah. I don't know. At least I taxi better than you.
Orbit
I haven't
326
taxied
Heavy,
taxi
flight 121 and 1.
What do you have? Huh?
Clear for takeoff, Orbit 326 Heavy.
Oh shit, I went off the way. That was really bad. Hold on, I gotta crash into that plane. Yeah, bitch. Oh no. Where are you going, you faggot? Get the hell over here, you bitch. Bitch!
There you go. Crash into the water. It's like a burger trading. You live in New York.
You scared the shit out of me.
Crash. What you do with you wasting time?
Trying to land. Calm down. This is the best.
The water landing ever.
Crash water landing. Come on, you faggot. Kiss it. Kiss the ground. Kiss.
What if you
Wait, where's the
Splash.
Cause gay.
It's a splash.
Okay. How many wins was that?